Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am unboxing not one but two BOXYCHARMs today. So I get BOXYCHARM Premium every month, and I do also have the BOXYLUXE upgrade, which is every 3 months. So for the premium that you can do monthly, this is just their bigger box. It's 6 full-size items for $35. Now the BOXYLUXE is an additional charge. So you get 2 charges for about $25 each in the months that you get BOXYLUXE. So BOXYLUXE, when you get this one, you're paying a combined price of about $50, and it has 8 full-size products. And this one says makeup, skincare, hair, tools, lifestyle. So the Luxe is going to be a little bit more than just beauty products, and I always have to remind myself that because I get some stuff and I'm like, why am I getting this? Duh. This says it's an average of $395. Premium, $35, and you get 6 items. For Luxe, it's $50 and you get about 8 items. I went ahead and peeked because I was like, ooh, do I want to try these in a try-on? Unbox them together, unbox them separate. I wasn't sure. But honestly, in each box, there's items that I like, and then there's items that I'm like, I don't really feel like keeping this. I would rather share the love. I'm trying to be, you know, in this industry, it's hard, but I am trying to be like conscientious of just keeping way too much stuff and having like so much open product. So in this instance, I didn't see myself keeping and using a good bit of it, so I decided to just unbox them together and then compare. So let's start with BOXYCHARM Premium. I got this Cuccio, I hope that's not the name, Cuccio Yoga. I think I got one of these, maybe a different product or something from this brand, and I think I gave it away, but this is a Calm and Clean Epsom salt hand and body wash. Okay, so I mean, I could use this as a hand soap. This just says it's Epsom salt and it has lavender oil. So this is what it looks like. Not really an exciting product to me, but I know for some people it would be. I don't know, this just isn't my thing, you know? We also got from Rowan, this is a liquid lip balm. Now I haven't opened this up. Oh, this is pretty. Ooh, the packaging. This is really pretty. So okay, I'm interested to give this a try. Ooh. It smells a little minty. It looks pretty. So the shade is Charlie, and here is the swatch, but again, like the packaging, ooh. Okay, so like 1 for 1. That product, I totally skipped over this, but it says this goes for $39.95. I mean, you gotta, I don't think so. And then for the Rowan Kiss My Liquid Lip Balm, it goes for $26. So again, a little pricey, but the body wash, I'm sorry, $40. Next up, we got the Beauty Diva London. This packaging just says, you're not gonna like this, but it's just style wise, you know what I mean? Like this just doesn't look like me, but we'll see. We'll open her up. This goes for $48, $48 for 4 brushes. That's $12 an eye brush. Me thinks this is a little overpriced. These are Halloween brushes. I don't know. For someone who loves like the Halloween aesthetic, hello, this would be really cute. I would use this once a year to do a Halloween look, or maybe for the whole month of October. This kind of has a couple strikes, and I'm sorry to say, but like this seems overpriced. They don't feel like the best quality, but I'm not gonna, you know, touch all the bristles because somebody else can use this and enjoy it way more than me. So for the time being, I'm not gonna open these. I don't know, this is kind of weird. There's an angled brush that's barely an angle. You've got like a little shader brush and then maybe a packing brush. I don't know. What do you guys think? I just don't feel like this is anything that special to me. I got a set of brushes in my Ipsy too, which I'm like, okay, I got a beautiful set of pink brushes versus, so yeah, this just is not my alley. I'm so sorry. Again, the price points are high. Next up, we got the Jouer. This is the Essential Lip Enhancer. I've had this before and I do like it. I can't truly remember if I still have this. It just comes in a little tube, so I may hold on to this and see if I still have it or not, but I'll either keep it as a backup or use it or give it away, who knows. And that lip balm goes for $17. We also have from Glow Skin Beauty. This is the Hydra Brighten Alpha Arbutin Drops. Now this I believe I chose. These goes for $54. I haven't tried this brand, so I really can't speak to it. I love serums. You guys know I love skincare, and this has lactic acid in it, which is a pretty gentle acid to chemically exfoliate with. $54 for that. And then we have this. Now this looks interesting. This is the Kypris. I'm guessing at the pronunciation there, but it's Made for Each Other Illumination and Active Shimmer. This has an illuminating eye serum and primer, and then a shimmer palette for eyes and body. So I find this very interesting. I'm gonna do some swatch of this because I No, that just sounds cool to me. Now this has a really high price tag, $145. I know that this brand is, you know, more of a luxury high-end brand. Oh shit. I just threw the bottle, but it didn't break. I'm rubbing the primer on my arm. I did like a generous amount. To be so expensive, the palette is just this papery packaging. And I'm like, I mean, it's heavy, it's got some weight to it, but I would expect something other than paper. But then again, I mean, if it's recyclable, then that's more important, really. We have Starlight, Diamond Fire, Sun Glitter, Gold Aura, and Shadow Alchemy. All right, I'm gonna do some swatches because I am curious just like what the deal is with this, you know? Because it says it's for face, it says it's for body. Of course, all word swatches are my thing. I mean, they're pretty. It feels a bit more like an eyeshadow, like a little shimmer. I know this is just like a quick swatch, but so far I'm like, why? I just can't imagine. I think $45 maybe. It says that this one is technology forward, skincare first, illumination and shimmer. The illuminating eye serum and primer creates the optical illusion of a brightened eye area, while the shimmer palette offers active, buildable shimmer for your eyelids and skin. This set is made exclusively for BOXYCHARM. I'll have to use this more around the eye area, obviously, to see what it will do. Maybe this would be a great just like under makeup product, but jury's out. What do you guys think about this price tag? Do you think it's crazy? I think it's a little crazy. So we got this duo. We got our lip enhancer, the serum, the brush set, and then the hand body wash. So this has about a $330 retail value. For the $35 that I spent on it, I'm totally fine because I got the glow serum, I got the Jouer lip enhancer, and I also got that Rowan lip, which I think is really pretty. The rest of it, I mean, I could take it or leave it, but I still feel like I got my money's worth. You know what I mean? As for these boxes go, this is not my favorite. I feel like it's a really, really mixed bag. So hopefully BOXYLUXE will deliver a little bit more. Let's see. All right, this one's kind of heavy. I'm like, dang. And I didn't show you the card, but the theme is lucky for March. And we got a big old card with lots of prices. So right on top, when I saw the spoilers for this, I was like, please don't give me that. And I hate to say that because I've never tried this brand and I don't know the quality, so I'm not judging it harshly. It's just like first impression, I don't like the packaging, I don't like the color story, I don't like the layout. It's just like very not me. This palette is for someone who loves neutrals, a teeny bit of color, and lots of shimmers, and that is just not me. So I'm gonna open this just to show you. That being said, because I'm not hating on this palette, if you guys would like for me to give this palette away, let me know. I'm open to do that. You know, I'm doing my weekly shadow palette things and I don't mind giving one away that I've never used as long as you guys are interested. So this is the palette. This looks like a Morphe 35 palette that I have that I never ever use. And the first thing I noticed was like, damn, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mattes. Out of 20 shades, there are 5 mattes. And I'm like, who is she that is using all of these like super similar champagnes, light browns? I'm like, why? Like, who is this? Who is this for? But once again, it's not for me. If you guys would like it, let me know. I think I have people in my life who would use this, but even then, I don't think that anybody would really use this palette fully. You know what I mean? Like, how many shimmers can you put on one eye? Okay, maybe I'm being a little bitchy, but this is just not for me. It's the Barbarella palette from B Beauty. Did I even say that? So this goes for $50. I think 15 would be a better price point for this, and I know I'm starting to get snarky, so let's go to the next item. All right, let's move on to something I'm excited about. I got from Beauty Bakery the blending eggs, and let me tell you, I got one of these in my Christmas stocking, but he got me the like neutral tones, which I think are really cool, but like they're like skin tones and they range, but these are really cute too. So these are like an aqua and a pink. So now I am all set on Beauty Bakery sponges. I want to do a full face of Beauty Bakery. Hey, baby. These go for only $18 for 6 sponges. That's $3 a sponge. And I love the Beauty Bakery brand. How cute is this for like their theme? It's a little pack of eggs. It's so cute. So I can't wait to do my full face, but I still need I need foundation and concealer. I also got this, which I thought was cute, even though I don't know if I'm gonna really use this in my routine, but I do think it's cute and worthy of a try. This is from Eloise. This is the mini teardrop brush. Here is our box. This goes for $45. Now that's high. It's not as pricey as like an Artiste brush, but it does feel kind of similar to me. So this is a rose gold little handle, and it's this teardrop shaped brush. It says it has thousands of super soft synthetic fibers in each vegan friendly and cruelty free brush. You're guaranteed remarkable results. It can be used for all base applications, making this revolutionary brush an absolute essential. Okay, so I'm keen to try this out because A, it looks cool. It looks bougie. I mean, I feel like I would look so fancy using this, so I'm pretty excited about this. So that goes for $45. It's a little pricey, but once again, there are way more expensive ones out there. Next, I got something from Soleil. It's a mini heat brush in apricot. So I don't know, I've never really tried a heating brush that you just run through your hair. So it's a little brush like this. The thing about it is, like, my hair, I don't know what this would really do for me because my hair naturally has like the tiniest bit of a wave in it, and that's really it. So I don't know if that would really benefit me in a major way. This goes for $150. I could get a GHD one for that price. Dang. Okay. I'm sorry, I'm shooketh. Next up, we got the Glow Recipe Plum Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Now, fun fact, I've actually been using this and I really like it. As hyaluronic serums go, I mean, they pretty much do the same thing, but this one feels great on my skin, and I have been going through this weird experience of having like strange sensitivity. It seems to be going away, so I may have come into contact with something, I don't know. I've gradually like added in products, and that's one of the ones that I was using because I was like, okay, I'm gonna avoid like my exfoliation serums, my retinol. I'm just gonna like go with something basic. So I was like, okay, hydrating. Like, if nothing else, if you never know what to do with your skincare, you can always hydrate your skin. So that has been working wonders, and that and a couple of like calming products. So that's what I've been using, and I really, really like it. This one goes for $42. I feel like it is worth it because I love the serum. We got from Dominique Cosmetics the Creamy Fill Define Lip Liner, and this is in Crush. Oh, okay, this is interesting. I haven't really paid attention to the lip products from Dominique Cosmetics, although I do have a gloss that I like, but this lip liner has like a little kind of a triangular angle tip. I'm definitely gonna have to try this. It's a really pretty color. It's like this nice rosy, kind of like hint of neutral rose. So this looks pretty, and this goes for $18. I mean, that's not too bad considering like high-end price points are usually there or higher. So I'm excited about that one too. So we got this from AMNH Skincare, Kiss the Stars 24 Karat Gold Lip Plumping Mask. Now, I actually have a gold lip plumping mask from Truly Beauty, and I feel like, I mean, unless this came out first, I don't think it did. I feel like this is just like it. It smells like it. The glitter is a little bit different, like it's a glittery lip mask. I love the one from Truly. Now, it works. It looks like a jar full of glitter, but I swear it works. I have a coupon code for them like way down. If you want to scroll, you can use my link. But I don't know, I feel like this is just a copy of that. So I don't know, I'm gonna reserve judgment because I don't know if this came out before or if the Truly one came out before, but the Truly one's the only one I've ever seen before this. So this one, it says it goes for $42. I know that the Truly ones, I don't think it's that expensive, so I would just stick with mine. I might give this to someone rather than open a new one because I do love my Truly stuff and I'd rather just stick with it, you know? We have one last product. This is from Skin Inc., the My Daily Dose of Glow Illuminate and Brighten. It's a cocktail of chlorella, vitamin A, and hyaluronic acid encapsulated serums from Japan. Skin Inc. is pretty expensive. I have their little light, the Optimizer, and Voyager. Anyway, I have one of their little facial lights and I really like it. So this goes for $65 and it's a serum. So this is already a cocktail, and I think you can still do this when you go on their website and create your own little serum cocktail. It has vitamin A for anti-aging, chlorella to brighten and firm, and it has hyaluronic acid. I also love the way these serums look. It's got the little encapsulation beads in there, which I think just hold the ingredient. It says it's a custom pre-blended serum designed to revive the look of dull and aging skin for youthful complexion and enviable glow. When I see the word enviable, my mind says inviolable. It's pure ingredients encapsulated to maintain freshness and effectiveness. I just think these are so pretty. They're just such a dreamy serum. I don't know if you can really see that, but looks so nice. So I'm excited to use this. I do love my skin ink so far, everything that I've tried, which is just a few products, but I'm still keen to give it a go. So that is everything that I got. We got our fancy brush, we got 2 serums, Glow Recipe and Skin Ink, lip mask, blending eggs, $150 mini hairbrush, which I'm like, girl. And we got our Dominique Cosmetics lip liner, and we got that palette at the beginning. So let me add these up really quick because I'm like, this is a $50 box, so obviously, you know, it says it has usually around a $400 value. So for the retail value, it's $430. Now, once again, I'm gonna be negative and then I'm gonna be like positive right at the end. So I still like this box because I got some things that I really liked. I'm stoked for the blending sponges. I'm gonna use the brush. The lip liner looks really cool. I have 2 serums that I like. I feel like that's enough, you know? I'll test out that hairbrush. I mean, it would have to be something just like phenomenal for me to pay $150. Maybe I'm just being cheap. I don't know. Let me know what you think about these boxes. Which one is your favorite? I think I really have to go that my Luxe is my favorite, albeit I did pay more for it. There's more stuff in here that excites me. I have got such a mess to clean up, so I'm gonna call it a night. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for hanging with me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to leave me a thumbs up if you enjoyed. If you like the little head-to-head, make sure to let me know in the comments. I haven't done any try-ons this month, but I think I'm going to try on my Ipsy Plus when I get it because I have not done any try-ons for you guys, and I've done like bundle videos of all my subscription boxes, so I'm gonna slow that one down a little bit, do some try-on, and yeah, we'll hang for a bit. Thank you guys again, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.